So today we are in Flemington exploring the main street and some surrounding areas of some of our favorite places.
Maybe visit some of these nice little antique stores. This is my favorite house.
So we are at Main Street Bagel in Flemington, and these are our favorite bagels. They are delicious, and just wait till you see how much cream cheese they load on one.
It's a whole lot.
And I have a toasted everything bagel with butter, please. And then you want
I'll do 2 everything bagels toasted with cream cheese. Ready? All right, so here's my everything bagel. Ready? Look at that layer of cream cheese.
All right, show us how you eat your cream cheese bagels.
Gladly. I highly recommend taking Doritos, either Cool Ranch or nacho cheese, and putting them inside your bagels. Okay, it's windy, so this could be done more elegantly. But something like this. It tastes so good. Go and try it. Really good. We're gonna go back to our car, drop off our food, and then maybe visit some of these nice little antique stores.
It's literally like a chunk of wood carved out.
We're at our next antique store. Cool.
Look at this Scotch tape dispenser.
So we just went to the second antique store. Really cool. That one is probably the better of the two.
Yeah, and anything we picked up and we asked about, she knew like exactly where she got it from, which is insane because that store was packed with stuff.
Flemington in general is really nice.
We're gonna go to a really cool coffee place now. Over here. So we just got some drinks at Factory Fuel Company. I think that's what it's called.
I think so.
And it's really cool because it's in this old ceramics factory or something like that. So there's a bunch of kilns inside, and one of them, they used to let you go in and sit inside. They had some steps up into it and then like some seating just right around the inside. And it's like the coolest, most unique thing ever. Let's enjoy our drinks.